Abhirami, what are you thinking? Are you thinking you made a mistake in life? When a man and female meet, physical relationship will happen. But there also a man is there. Can you believe all this? Abhirami, your husband, he didn't share bed with another girl? All this is just a trust. We are the prisoners of social concept and morality. In this world, a female's virginity is bigger than a nuclear bomb. A man's selfishness. Females grow up like that only. Virginity. What a foolish word.
I'm not feeling well.
Hey, cool down.
How I will face my Leo? We actually share everything in our life. But this one,
Then why don't you reveal that? Then we can see your husband's real face. Then he won't be your husband at all. He'll just be a man. Go and do that nonsense. Won't you get down? Give this to your daughter. Take it. Take it. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, mommy. Mommy. I chocolate.
don't eat that. It's not good. It's bad.
Mommy, you're simply telling it is spoiled, no?
Who are you? I am not understanding you. From here, I will be with you. You don't want to worry about anything.
Hello. Oh, why didn't you call me? I tried calling you, but
My
it was
phone
switched
doesn't
off.
have charge. I didn't check.
What happened?
I have heavy headache.
Did you take any tablets?
No, it will go. Leo, did you eat anything? Bread is there.
I'm not hungry. I need to take a shower. My sweet daughter was asking for this chocolate from a really long time. How is your headache right now?
Not that much.
I don't think that's the reason. Something else is bothering you.
Hey, nothing is there. Why you think like that?
Nothing. I thought about it. Why we fell in love. Why we got married, isn't it? It's because of my inferiority, your dreams, and your ambitions. I failed at fulfilling your wishes.
Why are you thinking like that?
I have something in my mind. I think both of us should go on a vacation. Let us escape from this boring day-to-day routine. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Mumbai. Choice is yours. What do you say?
No, Leo. We can go some another time.
Why are you saying like this, dear? Everything is decided by you, right?
That's true. But not this time.
As you wish. What are you thinking about?
Can I ask you one thing? Leo, do you trust me? Leo, you think I'm not hiding anything from you, right?
What do you think you can hide? Everything is impossible for you.
I can. I done a huge mistake, Leo. The cost of that saree. Not 3,500. That one.
Hey, mad girl. You're a silly girl because you think that I'm not aware about this. I think that sari would be somewhere between 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. At that moment only I knew that you were lying. You lied to me because you did not want to lie to me.
I couldn't share that one thing.
Cool down, dear. I really don't want you to get frustrated at such trivial issues. I know that you're really bad at hiding things away from me. Think about it, dear. We have a sweet daughter. Be happy.
Abhi,
Mm?
I completely verified it. Can we see this tomorrow? Today I'm leaving little early. I'm going to dinner with Bibi.
Abhirami, how are you?
Fine.
What happened? There is no energy in voice.
Hey, nothing like that.
Then what?
Sorry, sir. Don't call me again.
Abhirami. Abhirami, come on, Abhirami. Come into the car.
Sorry, I'm not interested. I don't know who are you.
What happened to you?
I don't know.
Okay, then come into the car.
No, I'm not coming.
Abhi, please. You don't have to come anywhere else. I am alone in the car, no. You can come. Why are you scared? Tell me. I'm not a lesbian, no? Come. What? Why have you changed so much?
I already told you. It's enough. I am a housewife. I have a daughter. I don't want to cheat my husband anymore.
Then what already happened that?
Mistake. I will not repeat anymore.
According to me, Abhirami, you're like a broken soul. Madhav sir shares all his experiences with me. Am I right?
I don't want to blame. Yeah, it is true. He satisfied my sexual fantasies, right? Just a glimpse of his look. Any girl will fall for him. A true gentleman. But he is not my husband. He was a good friend of mine. But I hate him. Please, don't force me.
If you say you don't want Madhav sir, I think it's just like a business loss. You know, if you want anything, there is a sky beyond you. What else? Are you thinking about your body? Tomorrow this will go inside a land. Few days it will be like this. After that, there will be a feeling like as if we lost. You will not feel guilty anymore.
Please, I don't want any bargain. Again, don't force me. I have to go.
Abhi, stand there. I'll drop you. Abhi.
There is some difference in the amount, sir. It's our executive's problem, actually. We can sort it out, sir. I'll make sure it is not repeated. I'll deal it personally. Sir. Fine.
Excuse me? Did you call me, sir?
Why did I call you? You should have known by it now.
I don't know, sir.
Where do you keep your mind while you're working? Since last 3 years you have been sticking on here. What's your salary ratio? Do you have any idea? You are not an executive here to make losses. To generate profits, you are here. The higher authorities are pressurizing me.
Sir, please don't use such harsh words on me, sir. But I'm working very hard on this company's business, sir. Sir, please don't try to blame it on me. That is actually covering your fault. So, moreover, I'm a human being. I'm not some kind of animal. Do your job perfectly. In that case, only you can blame it on me.
Remember, I'm your senior officer. Don't try to give me wisdom, bastard.
Repeat the words one more time. I'm calling you sir right now. I really don't want you to play games with me, sir.
How dare you think? What do you want to say?
How dare you speak to me like that, you idiot?
You're suspended.
I don't care about the suspension. I'm going to give you my resignation letter. That is good for your health.
Get out of here.
Get a life, you cheapo.
You have arrived at your destination. Can you get down, sir?
No.
Sir, I don't have change for it. Please give me the exact amount.
You can keep the remaining change.
That is not possible, sir. No, sir, it won't be good. Please have it. Sir, no, sir, it
Hey,
won't be
keep
good.
it, man. Hey, you can
Sir,
keep
that is
it,
not
bro.
good, sir. That is not
keep
good.
it, dude. I
Sir,
really
that won't be
don't
good.
care about the
Sir, that
change,
Hey,
won't
what's
be
the
good.
problem, man?
He is giving me more money. I don't need this. That is my problem.
If someone doesn't give you proper money, then you create a problem. If someone gives also problem, huh? Take whatever you get and leave from here, man.
He doesn't know the value of money.
Whatever this sir is saying is absolutely correct. Good night. You go. Thank you, sir.
What is this, Leo?
Nothing. You don't worry about it. I drank a bit too much today. There was some sort of celebrations. Do you know how sincerely I was working with that old man? I don't think it's worthy of my sincerity. What do you think? Someone actually called me that. I don't think I can control it. But I actually think he said a bad word. Then I slapped him.
For whom?
My superior, manager.
What happened?
Hey, nothing happened. Before it happened, I walked away.
Leo, what are you saying?
Yes, I quit my job. I can't bear it. Him and his target. He won't live peacefully. Let him die.
You don't have to get tense. Leo's anger, he will react like that.
But actually, he should also understand our position. All these days, we were depending on him. His earnings was our main support. He knew that very well. But still,
It's okay. There will be a job somewhere else. I am telling you, no, you don't have to worry. Did you come? I will come. He came. Shall we go?
Mm.
Bibi, Abhirami.
Hi.
You also come in vehicle, we'll drop
No
you.
thanks. I will go by auto.
This is our new car. We just came here to purchase it. We'll take a leave.
Mm.
Mm, ah. Shh.
Yeah, tell man.
What happened? Any new updates?
Actually, Leo, if you are asking 20 lakhs suddenly, how can I arrange such a huge amount suddenly, man?
How much can you arrange?
Leo, I swear on God, the amount is in Sindhu's account. She's not even going to give me 1 paisa, man.
Bro, this is my last attempt, man. I don't think I can ask others apart from you, man.
I know, but actually, you need to know my position, right?
In that case, you're saying that you can't help me, bro. Okay. He's scared of his wife.
What are you doing, Leo?
What else should I do? You won't understand the pain I'm going through.
This is bad habit, Daddy.
Sorry.
Did you hear what she said?
Dear, please.
Go and change your dress. This came today?
Uh,
35 lakhs, 15 days. Lawyer notice, huh?
you think you can translate it for me? I've actually gone through it.
You know this thing before. I actually want you to take that money back. Now what happened?
Don't talk rubbish to me, dear.
Then what should I say now? Do you even understand the situation? With that, you left your job also. We didn't even get back the property money. Then they send notice also. It's kind of blaming.
Get lost, dear. Do you think I'm bothered about it? I don't care about it.
I am worried.
If you're worried about it, I don't care.
Hey, stop drinking.
Huh? How dare you? I'm gonna kill you.
Mummy?
Sir, can I get the bill?
Uh, Not it, I'll tell you.
Oh. It's okay.
Tell me.
Where are you?
For what?
You're not coming?
I need some peace of mind.
Oh, so I am the problem here.
I'm not saying that, okay?
Then,
Dear, please leave me alone.
are you drinking again?
I'm not drinking, dear. I'm chilling. I'm enjoying the perks of being a drunkard in this life. Try to understand that, dear.
What are you doing, Leo?
I don't want to meet you. I want to drink right now.
Leo, it's not good.
That is written in the bottle also. Alcohol is injurious to life.
Huh, leave that. About that lawyer notice, any idea you have?
I think I told you that time only. Get lost, don't talk to me.
You can say it easily. We have a daughter.
Hey, you know my father, right? Father can't watch me suffering in this life. Try to understand it. If I want that, I'll go directly to my father and ask. That is only option I have.
No. Because of our marriage, your family didn't talk with us till now.
Then, what do you want me to do, dear? Don't call me again and again and don't tense me up. I'm really irritated. I'm completely lost right now. I can't even think properly right now. I'm totally confused of it.
And today, what shall I tell to you? This big money, and that too in this short time. If it's a small amount, when Leo said he will ask money from his dad, why did you say no?
You know that, right? I already told about our past. Then again,
Then why don't you ask in your house?
they are also like that.
Then what am I advising to you? I told you purely. I can just help a little bit. Is that fine?
I'm leaving.
You're going without replying?
No need, Neetu. I will try.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
You thought I will not believe all this, no? That's why you told me to read, na?
No, nothing like that.
Then? Whatever happens, I don't know. I don't have this much money right now. I have only post-dated checks. And then, if I keep this and take some money, people will start asking what relationship we both have. Already you know what the society reacts. Yes, no? But you know, if I see a husband like you, I feel pity. But it is not love, you know. I had a chapter like that. Do you believe that even I had a boyfriend? But he saw a fake photo of me in the internet and left me alone. Now he is calling again and is asking sorry. I didn't decide anything. I am talking something and making you bored, right?
Yo.
This legal notice deadline will finish in 1 week, right? Don't delay. We will do something.
After registration, I'll take a loan as soon as possible.
There is a source like this. That's why I'm telling do something. Take this.
Okay, in that case, I'll take a leave, huh?